Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate A/B design testing in Optimizely, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate A/B design testing in Optimizely, start by logging into your Optimizely account. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to create your A/B test. On the project dashboard, locate and click on the Create New button. From the drop-down menu, select A/B test. You will now be prompted to enter the details for your A/B test. Begin by naming your test for easy identification later. Next, choose the content that you want to test. You can select an existing page or create a new variation of your current content. After selecting the content, proceed to set your variations. You can create multiple variations by clicking the Add Variation button. For each variation, modify the elements you wish to test. This might include changes in text, images, or layout. Once you've set up your variations, move on to the targeting settings. Define the audience segments that will see your A/B test. This helps in filtering the users who should be part of the test. Next, set your objectives for the test. Decide what success looks like, whether it's increased clicks, conversions, or any other metric. After setting your objectives, configure the traffic allocation. Determine the percentage of visitors that will see each variation. Once you finalize these settings, review your test to ensure everything is accurate. When ready, click on the Start Test button. Your A/B test is now activated. Monitor your test closely to gather data on performance. As the test runs, analyze the results to determine which variation performs better. Finally, use the insights gained to inform your design decisions moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.